Hey, do you know what the number one secret is to marketing your auto repair shop? In other words, how to get car count, customer reviews, and new customer referrals on demand? I do, but right now you can download my newest free report, The Number One Secret to Marketing Your Auto Repair Shop. Hey, if you don't know me, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. I eat, sleep, and breathe car count. And for the last 20 plus years, I've been helping auto repair shop owners just like you grow their car count, income, and profits. But in this brand new report, I go one better. I even reveal the 5 myths and misconceptions that you need to understand, the 8 simple questions that you need to ask before you do any marketing, and the 7 costly errors to avoid so that you don't sabotage everything before you even get started. The best part about it is it'll take you 2 minutes to download this report. Like, there's no webinars to wait for. There's no weeks or months of training. There's nothing else. Just go ahead and check out that link and download that free report. Then you get back to watching your video. Take care. Talk soon. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the other side.